Welcome to this explainer. We're going to take that Electrolux user manual sitting in your drawer and completely turn it into a culinary masterclass today. If you've just upgraded your kitchen or, you just want to get the absolute most out of that incredibly sleek appliance on your counter, you are exactly where you need to be. Let's dive right in.
So what's the actual magic behind induction? Well, unlike your old gas or traditional electric stove that wastes a ton of energy just heating up the air or the glass, induction heats the pan directly using magnetic fields. It's a lightning-fast, highly energy-efficient marvel of the modern kitchen that gives you honestly unprecedented temperature control.
Okay, real quick, here's our roadmap for today. 1. The magic of magnets. 2. Unlocking advanced features. 3. Mastering the hob timers. 4. Decoding noises and errors. And 5. Ultimate cleaning and maintenance.
Let's kick things off. Section 1. The magic of magnets. Prepping for induction.
Now, we absolutely have to talk about what I like to call the cookware clash. Because induction literally relies on magnetic fields, your pots and pans have to contain magnetic iron. It's the golden rule. If you throw a pure aluminum, copper, ceramic, or glass pan on there, nothing. It's just going to sit there ice cold. But heavy cast iron, magnetic stainless steel, and those nice pans with the multi-layer bottoms, those are your clear winners.
And if you're wondering how to test what you already own, it's ridiculously simple. Just grab a common fridge magnet. If it firmly pulls and sticks onto the bottom of the cookware, boom, it is perfectly suitable for induction. Oh, and a quick tip, the thicker and flatter the bottom of the pan, the better your heat distribution is going to be.
Moving right along to Section 2, Unlocking Advanced Culinary Features. Think of this as your built-in sous chef.
Have you ever tried to heat up a massive griddle and ended up with annoying hot and cold spots everywhere? Yeah, it's the worst. Well, the FlexiBridge function completely fixes that. With just a tap, you can link those left side cooking zones together into 2 medium zones, maybe 1 small and 1 large zone, or, and this is my favorite, 1 extra large zone that is absolutely perfect for heating a huge plancha grill evenly from edge to edge.
Then there's Power Slide. This is a real game changer for your workflow. Instead of frantically tapping buttons to lower the heat when a pot boils over, Power Slide creates 3 preset temperature areas. You just physically slide your pan from the high heat front zone back to a cooler middle or rear zone. You go from a wild rolling boil to a gentle, controlled simmer in a second.
Your cooktop also has this incredibly smart Sense family of features. Check this out. Sense Boil literally detects when water hits the boiling point and automatically pulls the heat back so it doesn't spill over. Sense Fry regulates a perfectly even temperature across the hob so your pancakes never burn. And Sense Pro, it actually uses a separate probe to measure the core temperature of your food for precise restaurant-quality sous vide cooking right on the stovetop. It is amazing.
And we can't forget Hob 2 Hood. This fantastic integration wirelessly links your hob straight to your extractor hood using an infrared signal. So as you cook and things get smokier, it automatically turns up the fan speed entirely on its own. It's just one less thing to stress about when you're busy chopping and stirring.
But when you just need pure, raw speed, you hit Power Boost. This delivers a massive burst of extra power that will make a giant pot of pasta water boil almost instantly. A quick, but absolutely crucial safety note though, because it heats up so incredibly fast, you literally never want to leave hot oil unattended with this on. Seriously, don't walk away.
All right, Section 3. Mastering the hob timers. Let's get you that precision cooking control. You actually have multiple distinct ways to track time right there on the interface. You've got your standard countdown timer, a count-up stopwatch, and a standalone minute minder. But the really brilliant option is the Eco Timer. It smartly shuts off the cooking zone early before your timers even up and uses the leftover residual heat to perfectly finish your meal. Talk about saving energy effortlessly.
Setting these up is a breeze, too. You just hit the little clock button to cycle through until you see the light flashing for your specific active cooking zone. Then, simply use the plus or minus buttons to set a timer for up to 99 minutes. When the time hits 0, it beeps to alert you, and that specific zone safely turns itself off.
Moving to Section 4, Decoding Noises and Errors. Let's troubleshoot those little quirks. Picture this, you're cooking dinner, everything is going great, and suddenly your cooktop starts flashing a big F code. That's a huge panic moment for a lot of new owners, right? You're probably thinking, did I just break my brand new stove?
Take a breath. You can totally relax. That F simply stands for a magnetic registration fault. It just means the hob hasn't registered the cookware.
Maybe the pan isn't induction-friendly, maybe it's too small for that specific zone, or, hey, maybe you just lifted it off the glass to toss your veggies. As soon as a proper pan is put back down, the F vanishes, and you're right back to cooking instantly.
Also, don't let the symphony of normal induction sounds freak you out. You might hear ticking as the relays switch the heat on and off. You might hear humming or whistling. That's literally just the magnetic metal layers in your pan vibrating at high power. And you'll definitely hear a whirring sound from the cooling fans underneath protecting the electronics. It's all perfectly normal signs of the technology doing exactly what it's supposed to do.
Finally, Section 5, Ultimate Cleaning and Maintenance. Let's talk about the post-cook ritual. Before you even think about grabbing a sponge, make sure the glass is cool, and then employ this massive pro tip. Press and hold the lock symbol to activate the child lock. This temporarily freezes the control panel, guaranteeing you don't accidentally turn a burner back on while you're wiping things down.
For a perfect shine, here is your foolproof 3-step process. First, use a dedicated Electrolux hob scraper at a shallow angle to gently push away any crusted food without scratching the glass. Second, apply some VitroCare cleaning solution and scrub gently with a damp cloth to cut through the grease. Finally, wipe it perfectly dry with a clean microfiber cloth so you don't get those annoying water streaks.
And what if you get that weird, silvery metal discoloration left behind from dragging heavy cast iron pots? Do not stress. Just apply a little diluted vinegar directly to the spot, let it sit briefly to break down the minerals, and wipe it right away.
Boom, good as new.
Let's do a really quick recap of our journey today. 1. The magic of magnets. 2. Unlocking advanced features. 3. Mastering the hob timers. 4. Decoding noises and errors. And 5. Ultimate cleaning and maintenance.
We've covered a ton of ground today, and armed with all these techniques and a way deeper understanding of what your appliance can truly do, I want to leave you with one final thought to ponder. How is this brand new mastery of induction technology going to completely change the very first meal you cook tonight? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and have an amazing time cooking.